We found that colluck true RMS auto ranging multimeter from Circuit Specialist, and that's the company in Tempe, Arizona that sells these on Amazon. There are other companies that sell this meter also. Alright, so this looks like the manual. Okay. I really wonder if they're gonna... Yeah, they don't show you anything. Okay. What the hell? Why is this under Tektronix? So I think colluck is the name of something, the definition of a word for something. I have to look up the definition. Oh, Tektronix can calibrate instruction the following models from colluck. Search by model. Oh, look. I find it really funny that this meter can be calibrated by Tektronix. It's listed right here. Colluck. So this is a $40 meter basically. Anyway, any chance that the schematic is floating around on the internet? That'd be great, right? All instruments will be coded for standard calibration, blah blah blah. Okay, we don't want Tektronix to calibrate it. So I definitely ran across some weird information on this particular meter. From Circuit Specialist, they sell this meter for $31, and they go through all these chefs comparing it to a Fluke 117. But anyway, what I'm not finding is a way to figure out what's what. Okay. Now another thing too is there might be on EEV blog. There's another manual to this thing. Here we go. I think this might be it. Let's see what we got. So, if all else fails, we'll just have to guess. You just move them a little bit and see if it changes. Alright, well this is not it. So, let's see if this has anything different. So, I think these guys are just an importer. Product view, description, safety, diagram. No. Okay. Frequency measurement. Changing fuses. Yeah, I don't know. It's going to be buried on the internet somewhere if it's out there. So looking at an image search, let me see what we get here. So somebody say HH on them, and then they say circuit specialist down there. They don't say colluck. But as far as finding a schematic, let me look up just I just find it funny that Tektronix would be like offering calibration service for this thing. Let's copy this. Copy. Yeah, let's go check and see if anybody's got a video on it. Nope. Okay. So, what we're gonna do is we're going to have this thing sitting here like this, and we're gonna figure out. We're gonna just gamble. Uh-oh. So the batteries are low. Okay, we're gonna gamble on this and try and see. We're gonna try and guess which one will have something to do with the voltage. You got VR2 here and you got VR7 here. Okay. These terminals come in through here, go through here, go over there maybe. So we got one here, one there, one there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 of these to play with. Now, shut up, meter. Okay. This is not quite the right size. Okay, so I think I have one that looks like it might fit better. Alright. So what I'm going to try and do that doesn't fit at all. Alright. Neither does that. Let me consult the rest of my crap. That one's too big. Was that one too small? No. Okay. Alright. It's probably not that one. Okay. As soon as I touch this one, it changes. Okay. So let's see what happens if I touch the other ones. So I think this one up here, since I can't read it no more when it's touched, let me zoom out. Okay, so this one right here, as soon as I touch it, it changes. Now, what I want to see is maybe it's just the interaction of the metal. Look, it's already changed. Okay. So let's try and go. The issue is I'm like in an in-between screwdriver size to get into these stupid things. I have another precision screwdriver set I just need to figure out. Okay, so this is one of my favorite hacks to do. We'll just use something else. We've just adjusted it with a popsicle stick to read 13989. And it's that one right there. No information on the internet anywhere on this thing, okay? I barely touched the pot, and now that's where it's at. So, no clue what these other ones are for. You get two here, these ones here. If I want to take a marker and probably mark the board so that I can remember if I ever have to get into it again, because I'll probably forget. So, I'm just going to put V. VADJ. Okay. Good enough. It might not be what it is, but it works for me. I really only use this meter to read voltage. So, let's see. We're still reading about right. What did my new meter read? Let me make sure. So 13.989. I mean, we could make it read low if we really want to. It's real touchy. I definitely should have left it alone. My popsicle stick is not really working. I got it back to 13.98. We'll just leave it at that. Let's put the other one on real quick and just check it. We'll undo these probes here. I trust this really fancy meter a little bit better just because it's got a higher count rate and it seems pretty predictable. Oops. Okay. I've got them backwards, but okay. It's sort of strange that I want to go in there. Between 9.8 and 9.7. A little jitter on here. Okay. So I think that's good enough for that one. Let me check this other one real fast just to make sure. We'll see what we got. It was this one that was beeping at me earlier, and I thought it was the other one. So this one reads a little bit lower, 13.94. But I mean, it's certainly a lot better than what this other thing was reading originally. So when it reads 9.4 or 9.8, that's pretty close. But when it reads 8.8, it's off by 0.1. That's a lot. So here we got this guy here. I kind of like these kind of probes better, especially when it comes to like using these alligator clips. Ooh. I don't really like probing something like this. So, also the battery seems to have an issue. So there you go, guys. I just calibrated this meter. You can do the same thing to most of them. I have done this on Harbor Freight meters and stuff without looking up a schematic as well, same way. Thanks for watching.